67. Now we will be solving the second exercise, that is the fill-ups. So let us solve it. The first one, the dash BCE saw the rise of two new religions in India. So there you will write in the first one, 6th century. Okay, the A one is, or the first one is 6th century. Then second one, Jainism was founded by dash. There you will be writing Mahavira. The second one is Mahavira. See the third one, the Jains believe Mahavira was the dash. So in the third one you will write 24th Tirthankara. Okay. So what is the third one? 24th Tirthankara. Next, see the fourth one. At the age of 42, Mahavira conquered both misery and happiness and became Jinnah. Okay, Jinnah means what? Conqueror. So you have to write Jinnah. Now let us see the fifth one. Buddhism was founded by dash. So in the fifth you will write Gautam Buddha. Okay. So the fifth one is Gautam Buddha. Now see the sixth one, the tree under which Buddha attained enlightenment is called, you will write the Bodhi tree. Okay, so in the sixth one you will write the Bodhi tree. Now let us move to matchups. See the first one, that is Pava Puri. So children, the first is place where Mahavira died. Pavapuri, place where Mahavira died. Now see the second one, it is three Ratnas. Okay, so second will be right faith, right knowledge, right action. Okay, so second one is right faith, right knowledge and right action. Third is Digambaras. Okay, it is the G1, the sky-clad sect of Jainism. Now see the fourth one, Buddha. Buddha means the enlightened one. So fourth one is the enlightened one. Fifth is Nirvana. Nirvana means the aim of Buddhism. Nirvana, it was the aim of Buddhism. So it is the fifth one. Sixth one you see Deer Park at Sarnath. So the sixth one is the place where Buddha delivered his first sermon. So the sixth will be first sermon given by Buddha. Now seventh one, three Pitikas. Okay, three Pitikas means collection of Buddha's teachings. So it is the seventh one. And eighth is Mahayana, worship of Bodhisattvas. It is the eighth one, worship of Bodhisattvas. Now we move to the next exercise. State whether the following statements are true or false. So first one, by the 6th century BC, the Vedic religion had become too complicated and common people could not understand it. It is true. So the first is true. Mahavira was born at Pavapuri near Rajgir in Bihar. This is false. Now the third one, the attainment of moksha should be the main goal of life according to Mahavira. This is true. Okay. Fourth one, Jainism's strict insistence on non-violence and penance made it popular in India. That is false. Now we move on to the fifth one. Buddha's teachings are included in the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. That is true. Sixth one, Jatkas are the stories about Buddha's previous birth. That is also true. Then Mahayana's Buddhism started worshipping Buddha as a god. True. Now children, we are starting on with answer the following questions. So see the first one. They are asking here, why did new religions rise in India in 6th century BCE? So come to page number 66. In points to remember, see the second point. Okay, this is the answer. You can see the second point. So, children, have a look in points to remember the second point. This is the first answer, rigidity of the caste system, and, okay, in between you will remove the comma and write and too much insistence on rituals and sacrifices led to the rise of the new religions in India. Okay. Now we move on to the second one. Okay. Now, second is, what are the 5 vows a Jain holder had to take? Come to page number 60. Now, children, the second answer is, you'll write the heading on the top, the second answer, 5 vows of Jainism. So you will write ahimsa, non-violence, satya, truth, astya, non-stealing, brahmacharya, celibacy, and apari, graha, non-possession. So these are the 5 vows of Jainism. Now we shift on to the third answer. Children, in the third one, so in the third they are asking, why did Buddha re-announce the world? So you will start the answer, Buddha re-announced the world. From here you will start Buddha and here you will add D. Buddha re-announced the world in search of truth. Okay, I will be small. In search of truth. Okay, so this is the third one. Now we move on to the fourth. Explain the main difference between Jainism and Buddhism. Okay, so come to page number 64. Jainism and between Jainism and Buddhism. The heading, differences between Jainism and Buddhism. So first you will write, compared to Jainism, Buddhism was moderate in its stress on the doctrine of non-violence. Second, you will be writing here, Buddhism emphasized on following the middle path, whereas Jainism laid stress on extreme or austerity. Then see the third one, you will come over here. While the Buddha was silent about the existence of God, Mahavira denied his existence. And the fourth, while Jainism laid much stress on hard penance, Buddhism was moderate in all aspects. So these were the differences between Jainism and Buddhism. Now we move on to the fifth answer. Okay, children? Now, see the fifth one. They are asking, why did Buddhism spread so rapidly? Why did Buddhism spread so rapidly? So you will come to page number 60. Now, children, this is answer fifth, spread of Buddhism. Now, the first heading you will write royal patronage. Okay, the first heading will be royal patronage. You'll make a dash and then in this you will write, come to the next para, that is simplicity, but you have to write it under royal. I repeat, first heading you will be writing royal patronage. But what you have to write under this, it is in the second para under simplicity, the third line. So heading you will write royal patronage and under this you will write the patronage of two great emperors, Ashoka and Kanishka, made it a world religion. This will be the first one. Second heading you will write simplicity. Then you will write Buddhism spread rapidly because its teaching were very simple and it was taught in the language of the people. So two headings are over. Third one. Now we move on to the third one. That is the principle of equality. Here you will write under this, its opposition to the caste system made it popular, particularly among the castes that were considered low and held in contempt by the higher castes. So this was answer 5th.